Metal X material storage. While the metal print material is fairly robust against environmental humidity, it is sensitive to changes in temperature, growing brittle at low temperatures and potentially beginning to thermally debind at higher temperatures. We recommend storing material and operating the printer within the temperature range given the Metal X System Facilities Guide, which is 66 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid storing material filament in high humidity conditions. This may cause non-stainless steel filament to rust. Do not store spools in direct sunlight, even inside their original packaging. Do not store spools in the print chamber near the print bed for extended periods. Keep spools in their original packaging until ready for use. Metal spools in the original packaging can be stored horizontally or vertically and must be handled with care. Once spools have been removed from their original packaging, store and handle them vertically. Metal filament is brittle at room temperature. To avoid damaging the filament, always store spools, both full and partial, in a vertical orientation with as little slack in the spool as possible. To avoid breakage, avoid sharp shocks to the spool. Do not drop the spool. If you do, you should assume that the material is compromised, cracked or broken, and no longer usable.